Hey, if you want to set your own photo as a watch face on the Huawei Watch Fit SE, first of all, you will have to open the Huawei Health application, go into the devices, and now from here, select your Huawei Watch Fit. So tap on it, and now you will have to scroll down and go into the watch faces. So click on more, and now from here, click on mine. Next, you've got actually two watch faces that you can customize. And that's how it looks in my case. So you can tell me also in the comments if there's some difference between mine and yours watch faces. So I can recommend you to use this one, the gallery. So click on it. And now from here, first you have to click on the background. So you have to click on the plus. And you can upload a photo by taking the photo or any picture or the photo from the gallery. So I want to add the screenshot from the Instagram. Let's say that I want to get this photo. And now from here I can resize. You have to pinch screen like this to zoom in or zoom out. Let's say that I'm gonna take, for example, this part of the photo, or maybe this one, and we have to click on the right upper corner to confirm. If it doesn't work, just repeat. There we go. And next, when it's actually set up, you can click save, and after a few moments it will transfer this image and this watch face into your Huawei Watch Fit SE. So here we can follow this saving process. It will take around a few seconds. There we go. And now we can go forward and customize this watch face. So you can go for the style, change the font style. That's how it looks. In my case, this one looks the best. And I have to click save to confirm. Now I have to go to the layout so I can change the position of the watch. In my case, the best looks right here, and here I can add some widgets. So as you can see, in this one I can input steps, the minutes of moving, timer, bitrate, and the calories. For example, let's add the battery level. Click to save, and as you can see, right now it is finished. Also, you can go forward and add another picture. So let's go right here. I want to get, for example, this Nike t-shirt, and I can also click save. So you can actually add multiple custom watch faces, your own pictures or photos, and after this you will be able to quickly switch between them, of course on your watch, like this. Okay, it looks like it doesn't appear right here. Yeah, there's only one, so yeah, so we can quickly switch right here, I guess. Now let's close the watch. Okay, that's actually weird. It doesn't actually move into this this photo for some reason. And even though they both I set as a default, so when I click this one, okay, never mind. So I'm not actually sure how it works properly, because normally it should work like this, that you can actually switch between them by tapping one by one, like it was here. Let me show you. Yeah, so here I can easily switch between them, and as you can see, it is automatically switched until I type the default. So yeah, but yeah, that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one. Bye bye.